do this. What's up guys? It's Sian today. Today I'm going to teach you how to do science. So first you need some of this stuff. You need red paint, orange paint, yellow paint, green paint, and some blue paint. And you need 5 glasses of water, and we need a brush. We need egg, water, and something, and Mentos, and one of this stuff, and one of this is Coca-Cola, Fanta, Sprite, and you also need a balloon, and this, and that, and this, and this, and this, and this, and 2 of this, and a sponge, any color you like, and an apple. So what do we need first to do? Sink or float? Apple and floaty, so let's do it. Come on guys, let's try the float. Float! It floats! It's floating guys, let's try. How is it floating? When it's juicy in here guys, it's floating. It's juicy. How is it floating guys? What happens if I do this? It comes back up. What happens if I do this? It comes back up. So both of these are floating. So this one's done. Let's see what's next. Oh yeah, perfect. Now guys, I'm gonna put this pencil in here. Yes, now I need to do the other one. See guys, it's not leaking. It's so hard, yeah guys? I did it! So guys, this is how you do it. Now guys, we're going to move to the next one. Turn red. Whoa, whoa. Now we have to get the tissue. I'm going to show you how to do it, guys. First you have to do this. Do that. Do that. Now, pinkish. While we wait for that, let's do another one. We did this, and we did this, guys. Now we're gonna do Coca-Cola and then this Fanta. For this, guys, we need Sprite, Coca-Cola, Fanta, and any kind of balloon, and we need some Mentos. Are you ready? We need 5 Mentos. 1, 5. Now let's put this in. Okay guys, I'm ready. Now guys, are you ready? Should I make myself wet? Whoa, whoa, whoa! This is exploding! Ooh, that was cool. I got all wet, guys! Now time to get another wet. Now guys, I'm going to do directly now. Whoa! 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 Now guys, it's my last one, and here's my Mentos I already put in. So I got this to pop it. Okay, let's do it. Are you ready, guys? that was experiment. Now the final one, guys. Come on. So guys, we did sink or float, and we did leak-proof bag, and we did walking water signs, and we did Mentos, explosion, and now we're gonna do how to save a egg with a bikini. So which egg should I choose? Let's get this out. Now we need to get something to save it. Gotta be very scared, because I have to not break any of this. And I'm gonna see if it breaks or not when I drop it down. I'm gonna tie this thing up. Because eggs can easily can break when you just throw it on the ground. Guys, are you ready for this? 3, 2, 1. Let's check it, guys. Did it break or not? It didn't break! Guys, it didn't break. The egg just like didn't break. I don't know. What? How? Give it the signs, isn't it, guys? Now, guys, it's the end of the vlog, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more videos. Bye! Second experiment!